I'm going to teach you how to do a simple braid wrap today. It's unbelievable that I haven't made a tutorial on this. It's basically the exact same technique as the do the twist wrap that I once showed before. And I think there's like a 4 braid wrap. There's like basically like some previous techniques will add up to this one, but this is like one of the simplest, easy, beautiful 2 scarf wraps that is out there. And I do it all the time and I can't believe I never made a tutorial on it. So I have a shiny-licious on ends hanging evenly. You need 2 long scarves to do this wrap. It's preferable if they're a similar length, but they do not need to be. I have a burgundy dewdrop sparkle, which I'm going to put on top. And again, you can do this like further back on your head, you know, with some hair showing, or further forward. It really does not matter. Anything goes. So tying this around the back here. I am wearing a signature shaper and a perfect proof scrunchie, and my hair is like, you know, medium length. So that's the shape I've got here. Okay, so I've got 3 ends, and since I started with the blue, I'm gonna wrap the blue around my head like so, so the burgundy is showing through. And then I can either tuck it underneath or I can tuck it in on itself. I'm gonna tuck it underneath just because that's what I feel like today. Some people don't like doing underneath because they feel like it might give them more of a headache. So if you want to tuck it in, you can also tuck it in like right here. What is it? If you can see, like you could tuck it in right here. So right now I have 3 ends left, and I'm gonna decide which shoulder I want the ends hanging down. I think I'll do it on my left shoulder because why not? And oh, you also might need a hair elastic or scrunchie or similar, or you can use one of the ends. Sometimes like an end is hanging unevenly. Oh look, I have an uneven hanging end right here, so I'll use that to do the knot at the bottom. Okay, so I've got the 3 ends and I braid away. Just braid down, and you can of course make the braid look different by doing it either tighter or looser. Okay, here I am finishing off that braid. And I made that mistake of leaving this dewdrop sparkle a little bit too long, which is actually great for the knot. So what I do is I twist a knot around, and then I bring it down so the end will be hanging down. If you tie it the other way, then it will kind of be popping out a little bit strangely. So then I tied it, you can see like that. You can also use a hair elastic to secure the bottom, and that's it. We're done, yay!